We are about to spill the tea and I am here for it. Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Kali.alexandria and I'm going to be spilling the tea on how much YouTube has paid me through AdSense in the year of 2021. I'm so excited to chat about this topic and I'm excited that you guys are here with me in this video today. If you guys enjoy this type of If you guys enjoy these types of videos, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I post every single Wednesday, and make sure you ring the bell as well while you're at it so you can get notified every time I post. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get straight into the video. Let's go. So I've actually previously done a what YouTube pays me total since I've had my channel, and I have actually been posting on YouTube for almost 6 or 7 years now. It has been quite a long time and I can't believe time is moving this fast, but I did a total what YouTube pays me and you guys seem to love that, so I will link that up here if you guys want to check that out. Make sure you guys check that out after you watch this video. So yeah, I think I kind of wanted to go through like the most relevant information and give you guys a background on, you know, what I make on YouTube and how that relates to my total income that I do make. I am self-employed if you guys don't know already, so I am a full-time influencer, content creator, and I also have a marketing agency and I make videos about that all the time as well. So yeah, that's kind of about me, and I'm gonna show you how YouTube kind of translates into my business. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and screen record what I am looking at so you guys can get the full like rundown of like the revenue and then the analytics in the year of 2021, so last year. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Okay, I am currently recording my screen, so I'll make sure to pop that up into this video. But as you can see, we're just looking at our analytics from the last 28 days, and you will see that my estimated revenue right here in this little corner does say $16.48, which is from the last month. I will say my channel has grown so much over the years because I swear I was making like pennies as soon as my channel got monetized, and now look at me. I'm almost at $20 at the past month, hitting the big bucks. But I just wanted to explain that to you guys, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and go into 2021. Okay, so this is where you can see my analytics from 2021. It is just an overview, and my total views that my channel has gotten in 2021 are 88,636 views, which some of you might say that isn't a lot. Some of you might say that's a lot, just depending on who you're asking. I will say I have gone through so many like ups and downs and highs and lows with my YouTube channel because I have been on here creating for 6 years. It is not a revenue stream that's consistent and stable for me. Obviously, I don't know what I'm gonna do with $140 throughout the whole entire year, but it's kind of a nice way just to earn passive income with ads on YouTube. So if you're interested in that, definitely check that out. I will say YouTube is definitely a long-term game. Like for example, my videos that are making me the most money, I filmed like 2-3 years ago. So YouTube is just definitely a great source of passive income, but I will say it is not making me that much money, obviously, and I don't rely on YouTube for my income, as you guys can probably tell. But let's see. So yeah, I really didn't focus on my subscriber count, as you guys can see, and I don't know how accurate this like subscriber count is, but yeah, as you can see, it says like 3 subscribers added, which I have changed my niche on YouTube so many times, and I feel like by the end of 2021, just a few months ago now, I have started to really prioritize my YouTube channel, whereas last year I really didn't. It was just fun to create videos and post them. I wasn't really trying to grow it or make money on it. So as you can see, like for example, in 2022, I've gained 34 subscribers because now I feel like I definitely am prioritizing YouTube, and I'm really trying to figure out the algorithm. And I have taken the YouTube bootcamp from Erica Vera. I will link it if you guys are interested in YouTube. It has definitely changed my mindset around YouTube and creating on YouTube and understanding how search works on YouTube. So I will link that down below if you guys are interested in furthering your YouTube education. Like I said, it was just something that I really wasn't prioritizing. But I'm gonna go ahead and go back to 2021. Okay, so obviously my revenue is $138.59 for the whole year of 2021, which for a stream that I'm really not prioritizing, it's just nice to have the extra pocket change, if you will. But I'm just gonna scroll down and see which videos kind of were the best videos for me in 2021. So obviously you see YouTube Shorts, which has been amazing for growing my channel as well, because all of these social platforms are utilizing short form video. So I highly recommend, if you're posting on YouTube, make sure you post shorts every now and then, because they do provide you like a good watch time, because especially if your short is like under 7 seconds, a lot of people, it seems like, watch the whole video on YouTube. So that's something to consider. And then obviously my Florida Keys travel guide, I made that in 2019, which is several years ago now. That is still like one of the best performing videos on my channel. Following up to that is my rhinoplasty vlog, and I filmed that in 2020, so 2 years ago now, and it is still like my top performing YouTube video on YouTube. So it's just interesting to kind of see and go over your analytics, no matter how many viewers you have, how many subscribers you have, whatever. But I hope this is kind of insightful for you guys. If you're a creator, I highly recommend you diversify your income streams, because you guys will see that obviously YouTube hasn't made me a lot of money throughout like the whole year. So if you're wanting to become a YouTuber, or your goal is to be a full-time YouTuber, I definitely recommend diversifying your income streams, no matter that be brand collaborations, digital products, maybe it's advertising like on AdSense, but there's so many different ways creators can make money, and you could honestly make money off of YouTube as well. So I highly recommend diversifying your income. As you can see, for me, YouTube has just been a fun platform that I've just been trying to get used to the past few years. But if you are trying to get on YouTube, I recommend to maybe like try to find a niche on YouTube, because for the platform itself, and this is just speaking of YouTube alone, it is a search engine. So you want to make videos that are searchable. So for example, people might not search my favorite Amazon products. People are going to search like the top 10 Amazon home products. Do you guys see the difference between like the keywords and the searchable terms like within the two sentences? So that is just something to keep in mind. But overall, this is how much YouTube paid me. I hope you guys found this video insightful. I am super excited to see what 2022 brings, especially as I focus more on the YouTube platform. So thank you guys always for supporting my channel. Make sure you leave me a like if you enjoy it, and leave me a comment and subscribe, because I post every single Wednesday, and let me know what you guys want to see from me next. But thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!